Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. So today we're making Senegalese lamb rice Thiebou Nar. For the ingredients we need lamb meat, onion, bay leaf, green pepper, red pepper and mix it of seasoning. Alright guys, I already add all the ingredients in the boiling water. Now I'm adding some salt like this, just a little bit. Yeah, see the onion, I will need it for my mixed seasoning. Okay, now let everything bubbling until they get soft. Like I said guys, I'm mixing the onion with my mixed seasoning and add it in the boiling water. Okay, so just pour it like this. Okay, and guys, if y'all want me to show you what ingredients I use for my mixed seasoning, y'all let me know on the comment. Okay, so now everything is bubbling. I'm adding the green pepper and the red pepper just for decoration, not a big deal. Okay, and let everything bubbling and get soft for about 20 minutes. So now I'm adding the oil. You can add it at the end or at the beginning, it's up to you. Okay, now guys, it's time to set aside the green pepper and red pepper habanero because I don't want them to mess up my rice because they really hot. And guys, it's a really easy meal to make, and right now the water is reducing and the smell really good. Okay, so now it's time to add the rice. Add the rice. I already steamed it on the microwave, so I did like this and stirring and let it cook for about 20 minutes. See you guys. Ta-da! Our rice is ready, everything is cooked and the meat is well done. If y'all see this guy, you know what time it is. It's time to serve. See you. Here is our Senegalese lamb rice Thiebou Nar. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.